Hello everyone, it's Matt from Akuma Mods, back with something I was supposed to do 2 months ago. So, 2 months ago, around my birthday, I kind of teased a little bit that I was going to do a 3D printer giveaway. I wasn't sure if it was going to be a resin printer or an FDM printer, but with shipping and everything right now, it's just going to be an FDM printer. And unfortunately for you guys that are watching that are not in the United States, I'm sorry. This is just for the United States only because of what we are going to be doing for a giveaway is a very large printer. Well, it's not very large, but it's a larger printer. It's very heavy and it's very, very expensive to ship. It's about $100 to ship this thing within the United States. So I can only imagine what it's going to be shipping it outside of the United States. But anyway, the rules for this is, one, you must be subscribed to the channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button wherever it may be down at the bottom. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up or a like, whatever it is. And, go ahead and put the comment Ender space 5. That is Ender 5, okay? Not space. Don't put the word space. Just put a space in between them. Okay, so Ender 5. That's all you have to do is put a comment in there. You guys can add other stuff into it, like thanks, whatever, that's perfectly fine. But you must have the words Ender 5 in it, okay? So that's what we are going to be giving away is an Ender 5 Pro. So that is going to be our giveaway. Again, I'm sorry. I know it's 2 months late, but better late than never. Now, with those people who are disappointed right away, oh, it's just for USA only. That's how it always is. Don't fret. Right after we're done doing the giveaway on this one, we're going to give it about 20 days or so to go on the hunt for a winner. Right after that, once we announce the winner, which will be on November 15th, so that's when we will be doing the drawing for this, is November 15th. Again, I haven't ironed out if I'm going to do a live stream on that. If I do, it'll be during the day. So just FYI, it's not going to be on my normal content, which is later on at night. But it will be during the day for sure, because I obviously have to work on Monday, November 15th. So anyway, for those who are worried that, I'm just doing this for the USA, again, don't fret. We are going to do a resin 3D printer giveaway, which will be worldwide after this printer is given away. The reason being is I need to get these printers out of here. Look at my place. It's a disaster. So you guys are helping me get these printers out of here. Yeah, the lady definitely likes that too, because, she can get her area back as well. So any little bit helps. So yeah, anyway, if you guys can, go ahead and share this out to any of your groups, your friends, whoever wants to participate in it. Even if there's somebody that doesn't want a 3D printer, but you want a 3D printer, who knows? Maybe they can win one and then they can give it to you. That's completely up to you. I have no problem with it. As long as they are subscribed to the channel and they comment Ender 5 below on this video. I will be sharing this out to my TikTok, my Instagram, my Twitter, tweets, and the Facebook groups. That's pretty much where we're going to be promoting this on all social medias that we possibly can. So keep an eye out for it. If you guys aren't seeing this video here, hopefully you guys see this video somewhere else. So, but that's pretty much it. We're going to be doing that giveaway, and that's it. Like I said, the rules are you have to be a subscriber, you have to be within the USA. Like I said, go ahead and like this video, and that's pretty much it. Till next time, guys, happy printing and good luck.